One of the unique selling points of Total Logistics is our ability to provide a wide breadth of offer. In this particular project, we were able to provide support from concept design all the way through to implementation and support after go live.
VF Corporation is a US company. It was founded back in 1899. We now have a collection globally of 30 brands. Here in Europe, we service 12 brands from that collection. The primary brands, the largest brands, are the North Face, Timberland, Vans, and Lee and Wrangler. We are a multi-channel in all of our distribution facilities. So we have a network in Europe that is 3 primary hubs for distribution. Here in Sint-Niklaas, Belgium, Almelo, Holland, and then Prague in the Czech Republic. Well, this implementation has actually been the first of its kind in VF Global. It is the most automated facility that we have.
It's 27,200 square metre footprint, and the centre of the design is automated storage and retrieval system, which comprises of 23 mini load cranes. These are all connected by approximately 4 kilometres of conveyor system. We have a pick floor where we operate a dynamic voice picking system, and that includes static shelving, but also a pick to zero area for very fast, high moving SKUs within a wave.
So with this new building, we've been able to achieve key performance indicators that are better than what we were achieving before. And more importantly for me is that we know that when we fully utilize this building and when we have complete knowledge of how the processes and the integration works, that we're going to have a highly successful, cost-effective distribution center.
During the implementation phase, Total Logistics has provided full-time project management support on site for VF to act as the eyes and ears of the client.
I've known Total Logistics for about 15 years, and 6 years ago I invited them to a tendering exercise for a small project of which they were successful, and we've been working with them pretty much ever since. We chose Total Logistics because they had a strong track record in our industry sector. They also brought a depth and wealth of experience within the mechanical material handling equipment marketplace, and they also had a very organised and professional approach to projects and client relationships.
I guess I would say the key benefit that I found with Total Logistics is we have a company that truly does understand the complexities of distribution and logistics in the footwear and apparel sector. And the knowledge that Total Logistics had coming in, rather than having to learn that from us, was really a benefit that allowed us to move the project on time and on cost ultimately.
This is a very enjoyable project to work on and highly successful. It's been fantastic to see the solution develop from concept design through to an actual working environment.
I would definitely recommend Total Logistics. They're a knowledgeable, experienced, organised and professional company, and they're easy to get along with and work with.
I would recommend Total Logistics. In fact, I've recommended them to myself because we continue to use them in other projects for the reasons that I described. The team is easy to work with. They're very committed, and it's a nice relationship we have, and it's really a good partnership.